Hello everyone and welcome to Excel Basic course proudly presented by SphereSkill empowering tomorrow's learning. In this program we will take you on a complete journey from Excel fundamentals all the way to advanced data analysis, automation and scripting. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate user, or someone who wants to become an Excel power user, this course is designed to transform the way you work with data. This curriculum includes 10 in-depth modules followed by a real-world capstone project where you will build a fully automated Excel system. So please click subscribe and click on the bell icon to get all the videos which I post as a notification to you. So today we are starting a new session with the Excel fundamentals and we are going to slowly gear up to the advanced Excel. So this will be a completely separate series. Please click on the bell notification so you get all the notification for the videos which I post. Okay, let us get started. Module 1 Excel Basic. We start with the foundational building block of Excel. So, understanding Excel interface, you will learn the ribbon, tabs, formula bar, name box, status bar, and workspace layout so you can navigate confidently. Workbook versus worksheet. We explain how a workbook contains multiple worksheets, how to add, rename, delete, group, and organize sheet, row, column, and cells. You will understand referencing system like A1 cell range and how Excel structure is grid system. Data entry, learn how to enter text, number, dates and formula accurately including smart techniques like autofill. Basic formatting, you will explore font styling, borders, fill color, number formats, currency, date, percentage, alignment and wrap functionality. Basic operation, we cover essential editing skills including insert, delete, cut, copy, paste option, fill handle and quick shortcuts to speed up your work. Module 2 Essential Excel functions. Now we move to the most commonly used formulas text function that will include left, right, mid alignment, length, trim, proper, find, search, concatenate, taxation. This helps you clean and transform text data efficiently. And number functions, round, ceiling, floor, rand between. This will be helping you perfect for numeric precision, calculation, and simulation. Date and time function, today, now, date difference, week number, net work days. So thus you will learn how Excel handles date, math, scheduling, and time operation, right? Module 3 Logical and Lookup Functions. This module unlock Excel's decision making capability. Logical function, if and are not for the decision making. Nested ifs, switch used to build condition rules and automated decision logic. Lookup functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP, which is the modern lookup technology, we will be discussing more in detail. Index plus matches. This will be powerful dynamic lookup and Xmatch. We will also look into Xmatch. Error handling. If error occurs, how to handle. Exception handling is blank is text. So learn how to manage errors and clean data output gracefully. So that is what you will see in your module 3. Module 4 Data cleaning and data tools. In this module, we transform messy data into reliable data sets. Data cleaning, remove duplicates. How to cleaninize your data by removing the duplicates. Text to column, flash fill, advanced find and replace. Right? Data tools, data validation, drop down list, grouping and ungrouping. Next, sorting and filtering, multi-level sorting, advanced filters, conditional filtering for analysis. This is what you will learn in module 4. Module 5 Tables and structured references. Next we introduce smart data structures here, creating Excel tables which includes table style, dynamic ranges, structured references where we create a references by adding the columns and the rows into the table reference details and name the table, where table formulas, auto expanding columns will be included in that. Table based report, based on the naming convention we will generate the reports, filtering, summary and aggregation. Thus table improves accuracy, readability and automation into your structural data, right? So next module 6, charts and visualization. So this is an interesting module. In this module we teach you how to present data visually and effectively. So what we do, we provide you the charts, which includes basic charts for column, bar, pie, line, area, and advanced charts, which includes combo charts, sparkling, waterfall, histogram, Pareto charts. And dynamic charts includes you based on tables, that is using tables using numbered range. Okay, that is range numbers. Next, formatting of dashboard. So this will be quite interesting. Clean chart design, data labels, choosing effective colors and color usage. So that is what you will learn in your charts and visualization. Next module, pivot tables and power tools. Now we unlock the real analysis capability of Excel. Slowly we are enhancing to a little advanced level here. So this will be covered on your 7th syllabus. I will publish each syllabus, each module one by day. Okay, pivot tables, build pivot tables, group data, create calculated fields, refresh automation. Pivot charts, connect visually direct to your pivot data. Power queries, import data, clean and reshape, merge append queries, transform columns, automate, refresh. Power query is your gateway to large scale data automation. So when you are handling with a huge amount of data, Power Query is the best choice. And Power Pivot, you can convert your huge amount of data into a summarized report, which will be handled by your Power Pivot. So we are going to see in practically in the further upcoming session one by one. So in Power Pivot, what we are going to see, data model, relationship, measures and KPI. So this model set the foundation for BI style reporting inside Excel. Okay, so this is what industries and business are looking forward for, providing the statistical information, right? So we will learn with this module 7, that is your 7th day course. Module 8, advanced function and dynamic array, right? So we have learned 7 days course by this time. So we are going to advanced functions here. So what we are going to see in this module, which covers model Excel formulas, right? So dynamic array function, which will give you sort, filter, unique, sequence, rand array. Advanced functions, let, lambda, make array, choose calls, drop, take. So you will learn how to build reusable formula like advanced programmers. Not only that, so we will build a mini project which will include automatically clean data and automatically generate reports, auto format dashboard. Okay, so by using macros. So module 10, this is really advanced version here. Excel office scripts with TypeScript. The future of Excel automation. Introduction to Office Script, Script Recorder, Code Editor Basic, TypeScript for Office Script, Variables, Arrays, Loops, Object Models. Automating Excel Online, so data cleaning, formatting, that is custom auto process script, integration, Power Automate plus Excel. How do you connect your Excel with Power Automate and create script, run the script and making automation? So that is what industries is required for. A best use case, you can connect your Outlook, that is your email, and then create a standard instructions by giving what is the subject name you want to look forward for. With the specific subject name, extract the Excel and then create into online Excel, copy the data or extract the attachment and create uh, a rule to capture what is the email and what is the subject body and who has sent it, what time it has received in an Excel template, right? So it will give you a database by what time the email has come, who has sent it, all those functions. So this advanced we are going to see scheduling and scripting, advanced workflow and automation. This is what industries are looking forward for. So stay tuned with us. Okay, this module prepares you for cloud based automation. Completely we are going to see with cloud. So final capstone project. So we are not limiting to our learning exercise. We will do projects at the end of the course. you will apply everything you learned to build a real-time automated Excel system, improve and connect data, clean data using Power Query or Office scripts, build pivot dashboard, create dynamic charts, generate automated reports using VBA or Office scripts. By completing the capstone, you will have built a full function Excel automated system, a powerful addition in your entire career profile. We came to the end of the today's session. By end of this program, you will not just know Excel, you will master it, automate it, and use it to solve real business challenges. So, welcome to SphereSkills Excel Advanced course. Let us begin your journey to become an Excel expert. So, stay tuned with me. Follow me on my uh, YouTube channel and Facebook. And if you have any concerns or queries in related to Excel, you can leave me a message. I will revert back to you. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe and click on the bell icon notification to get all the videos which I post as a notification to your inbox. Click like and share if you like this video. So we are having a 10-day session with this. So we are going to start from the basic till advanced, and we are going to see cloud scripting with this 10-day session. So in a 10 days, you should be able to learn expertise with Excel. Please stay with me. Please show your like and subscription and share this to your friends. So we will see in my next video where we will go through with day 1 of the module 1. So I'm going to post all this Excel in evening time, basically 7:30, something around 7 to 7:30. So please spare some 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes of your time every day. So we will continue this Excel course. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you everyone.